Hey there, fellow coders. I'm Alex, a fresh Python coder just like many of you. I know the struggle of facing simple errors and feeling hesitant to ask seniors for help every time. It can be frustrating, right? But guess what? I found a game changer, the KeySkillset Python course. Let me tell you how it's been a lifesaver for me and how it can help you too.
Welcome to the KeySkillset Python course, designed to make your coding journey smoother and more enjoyable. Here's why it's perfect for you.
First off, this course is a lifesaver for daily problem solving. No more getting stuck on simple errors or feeling embarrassed to ask for help. The content is structured to help you understand and solve issues independently.
Enjoy engaging video and audio lessons that make learning Python fun and easy to follow. Practice coding in real time with simulations and hands-on exercises. Learn by doing, which is the best way to grasp new concepts. Experiment and test your code in a secure sandbox environment without any risks. Get guidance from experienced tutors whenever you need it. They're here to help you succeed. Test your knowledge with assessments after each module to ensure you're on the right track. Earn certificates that showcase your skills and boost your resume.
The KeySkillset Python course has transformed my coding experience. I'm more confident and capable of solving problems on my own.
Ready to level up your Python skills? Enroll in the KeySkillset Python course today.